Oh!
Hey y'all, so I'm currently at Natalie's grandma's house, Mimi's home in Elk Lake, Michigan. We're just here for a few days, just kind of to vacation and hang out. It's absolutely beautiful. As you can see, we're right on the lake, Elk Lake right here. Natalie's dad, Brad, Mr. Welch, is about to give me my first sailing lesson because I have no idea how to sail. And right now we're going over some details. Here we are, everyone's outside right now.
Hi everyone! My family loves to sail. I can sail myself, although I'm not very good. Brian has never sailed before, so we're gonna teach him how to sail.
It's pretty cold out, so that's why I'm all bundled up.
This is my dad, Brad Welch, from Brad Welch Sail Camp.
Of the famous Brad Welch Sail Camp.
There, you see it.
Brad Welch Sail Camp.
You passed the first quiz. So, first lesson today is we're learning about the wind and the different points of sail. So, what did we say before? You cannot sail where?
Into the wind.
Directly into the wind. So this is kind of the dead zone. But you can sail sort of 45 degrees off the wind. The fastest point of sail is here, which is reaching.
I've taken this course a couple times now.
We all hate
Kinda
those
like doing
students.
kindergarten twice. You're on this point of sail and you're pointing.
The sun finally came out. We had a bit of a gray, rainy day this morning. We're gonna hit the water.
Okay, reach.
How you feeling?
Reach. Starboard, board.
Starboard.
Bird.
Hope he doesn't tip over. Oh! Uh-oh. Woo! 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 First day? Yeah, you like it?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Natalie's hit it out.
I haven't sailed solo in a long time. I haven't done it in a while. So I just had myself that I was able to do it all by myself. Woo! Nice job! Alright, congrats! He's a big bad sailor now and apparently the Loch Ness Monster. How was it?
So fun. It was stressful at first.
This is Norman. He's crazy. Almost a year old. They're both litter mates.
You don't want to be on camera? Great. Let's get a nice close-up of you.
Yeah.
What's that? Norman.
Brad
Amazing
Welch
instructor.
Sail Camp rocks.
Yes.
Woo! Come next summer.
5 out of 5.
Come next summer when
Recommend for.
it's a little warmer.
Yeah.
TripAdvisor rating?
We'll leave a review on Yelp for sure.
Definitely. Well, thanks so much for helping
Thank
us
you.
sail.
Yeah.
Well,
Really, it's
you
something
know
I've
what I
always wanted to
say. Do the things you love with the people you love.
Wow, that was just perfect.
I guess we don't even need to say it anymore.
No, I think that's all we needed. Thanks for the cameo, Pops. See you all later.
Bye.